Hello, clear to death by ole voin hi January nili Zing darli kan thofel chia achan chu khwa polavar lova achan chu voin hi kanpa hernia surgery nei turin damdo in daranga le jan ve thleng turati kan ni a man model in kanin sia manga damdo in kan pan pheido na ni a hernia ti chu koloma jan lai pong apong lian bui bui kan ti mai thi tang ka nia apum chunga atak tissue a lo thler awanga a real cheteron aron in no chhuak awanga lai pong ron pong ania na chu ti chia lo na ma ro chu khatianga lai pong ya pong to vek vek chonin a zai kherle en kor kherlo chona maina dam thei to lowa ma ro chu zol lama pan le zel thei ti ne wang khan a zol tak tak ma a zai fer kha kan bai se ya voin hi dar nga le a chan ve adam do in kan patlinga nga kan zai do na tan hi Zing darli lemni samga pakwania darnga ritep to a khwala warlowa to ni dam do inanga le chan ve thleng tur ati kan le wangin kanina tangin kan so che ani ba in zaina to dam do in jagan ron thleng to a Methodist West area emergency takin dan lupa nama mani department takin lain hong lo avot ver kwa alat avar main tendo ina kan thleng to mani Methodist West an surgery center ta khi chokong gan la hon lo bangin emergency tang hian kan lut do na ni ai ga lok the hian emergency entrance junia West the Moin vel hi doctor thiam tak tak an tama chu bangin in jai don chonin West the Moin a hianin kalangai thina ni kumlam September ni khat po khan aton sil kan jai to boka paber hi hei thali akim toka a hernia tun hi jai le ngai ni helai hi carpet azawa trial come on helai hi registration surgery thing okay surgery waiting hi guest resources tini achole patient registration tia hianin helai hem khi tun hi milang in register nom meka kimi he tuna in register sa kyan zo huna kan papa in jai tur khan kan ba in register lut ve do na ni chonin alaw thong ve de wanyang ka juna chuaka ka va chunga nge tia jai tur hi chu naya nei thei lawan yang September ni kata ton silan jai to po kha halungai ve be ma se ton sil kha chop khoi chung rei lawa voin hi eng tiang rei ngen khoi ngai ka redon ka rep chi alawa thakha chu a chol ha la mangai don po kha chonin an jaina tur hi alai pong takani awang khanin a honglam kha ki gotlon an tai da hak thei don no wang khanin lose deu kenanga ya lose tok mai le liam tok mai ka ken saka hi patient register kan tin ma lo la kan da rojo okay
Thank you. And this is the paperwork that you guys sign.
okay hey you need to sign how many there got that tabela ila
And what surgery does he have today?
hernia
Hernia. Okay. So I'm going to put this on your Thank you. And then if you check one more time, spelling of your name and a birthday. Yeah. So you guys follow me. Okay.
Kanin register zota ka kanin rumaluturin tahianin min ngadir le ani he bangbar ko na paano kitang dayang record na tahianin nachina kanin narsin consent form de la sign tir vek to a jonin tun hi azo jonin anesthesia kan messi kan dia misalnya tingene nim lumna kami lam doktor karon lutanga chuchonin thai dan te arang silfia le dona tihianin amahi nambain moza hambun bemeka. Parents back in Burma, they will want to see.
Is it right?
Yeah, his parents and my parents. So.
All right. I'm going to take the blood pressure on your arm.
Duat anda nursing garla ni kay mani nursing na nalo kan si om tente kwal ante chau pa.
These are going to come on your legs. They're going to squeeze.
Kepa ito kachama amalis don sen chuma.
Keep your blood circulating so you don't get blood clots.
Ati sen ati akal kol that thai mo to kan. Ngayon so ito ati karte lo ombe thai china ma ati karlo na kan. IV ante bong changa chula na kina mi sin thuna po kami rang kanin mut nim lum na kama kami tangan thun po kanga chula ilaw thaw na ilaw anjai zo na ilaw chaw na po na chakan pek che po kan kami rang kanin thun pa. He's scared of needles.
Okay. Tight band.
Yeah.
Would you like to lay back?
I think it'll be fine, yeah.
You think, okay. I'm just looking right now to get the...
Yeah. I don't have a good vein, so every time I get to poke, like, you know, most of the nurses have to poke me twice or, you know, like 2 or 3 times every time. And since most of the time I was in, you know, labor, like feeling pain for it, and I was so mad all the time. You know? Why can't you just poke me one time? You poke me all the time. You know? Yeah, come in.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi there. My name is Amy. I'm going to be one of the nurses in the OR with you this morning. Okay, and it's Lau?
Yes.
Hi, Lau. And what's your name?
First name Lawm. Yeah, my first name is Lawm too.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Well, nice to meet you both. You're all few questions for you here before we get started or head to the OR. Let's get your full name and birthday, please.
Ukima.
Put your band here, make sure that all looks correct. Perfect. Okay, what are we doing for you today, Lau? What surgery are we doing?
So it's belly button called the hernia.
In hernia, yes. Has Dr. Jones been in to see you?
Yeah, and the anesthesiologist has been here.
And anesthesiologist, okay, perfect. Yeah, I haven't seen Dr. Jones, but I saw his note. So
yeah, he was in
here, perfect. Okay, anything to eat or drink since midnight?
Yeah, I think like yesterday 7 p.m. was the last time.
Okay, great. Any metal implants in your body anywhere?
Nothing.
No? Okay. Go ahead.
this patch is going to go on. We talked about that motion sickness, so this is going to help him not get sick after surgery.
Okay. Hey, Fatil,
All right, and then anything else to be removed? Contacts, jewelry, partial plates.
Already removed this. Nothing else.
All right, that was all?
Yeah.
All right,
nothing else.
Perfect. Questions for me before we get going?
No.
Okay. You were given instructions. You know where to go for waiting. And
Yeah, I'll be
after. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lúc này cái đánh He was like trying to act. He's trying too hard to act like enough, but he's just a little bit afraid. I can see that.
Well, we're going to take great care of you back there.
Yeah. Yes. And our Darla said good jobs too.
Yes.
I'm going to talk to you about that patch when he's gone. Just a few little instructions for you, just to make sure. Okay.
Okay.
I want to make sure that they don't forget about it and put in when you get discharged. If it's still there, like if he's nauseated when he leaves, it can stay on for 3 days.
Oh, okay.
As long as he's nauseated. There's medicine that will work in there for 3 days.
Okay.
If he's not nauseated before he leaves, we can take it off.
Okay.
Side effects can make him very sleepy or very thirsty, like dry in his mouth. Okay.
Kaya yung bilo cho nên là cho nên là kaya love win cho nên không bỏ thì cho nên kami kan một cái cho hai win có thể học ta
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Think so?
And I'll take her back when you're ready.
Okay. Yeah, I think we are ready. If you are, okay. I'm going to put this down here for you. We'll just be walking back there. Okay, I'll let you say your see you laters and we'll get going.
Again. Dihalin baju in zaina roman foi thena hai bipor te hi min pe a chan ta hena paper hianin a case number a tel boka ha chaw hun chanin aron bi panga thil hi aron bip chanin ain zaina hana china awereng area khanin ka kal lenga khanin min loksil mai don ani tun hi karil ya tam be reu ka dan da in chul hi apui na moi khap mai ni hi tan chi thap tụi mấy khá dây tu doctor thì doctor mình doctor Jones anh doctor Jones này cái nín mua dây dầu alien bạc lova hernia khá alien bạc lova khanin đầm po ngay lova all sampian akal klong ve ketia pathian zarah ron har kun chonin ron haranga dakar kha kan hong thei mai don ni chu alo mong kop mai bip ta char mai hai ka lut thei don ta ange thank you
Straight ahead, and then you're
right this time or still left.
Then we're going to room 12.
12. Okay, there we go. Thank you.
You bet. Happy New Year.
You too. Happy New Year. Time. Damn. Mình là chồng anh vậy mà. Again, no. Tụi chú bạn anh chịu lụt khá hít xia xia. Quay xuống chơi rồi lâu tụi pon có chuộc khá. a doctor pakanin Jones khan mo ala teli to ka kaseng khanin mash adam ka chu alangai lo tak taka enki me kar fel ve kania e aron har cha chanin hong thai me anga tia
现在我都没懂你能照着不拿我都要照着趁手不是都那个找到天的就连跟那个个手能看见azul ma zai tu khan mi andu ui ber khan ya azul tak tak ma zai ya kadam de khat me
hey adam do he la rui chu la ni he phak chok chu la to ni atham no ganin thak sak zawa nim lum na chiu pha a side effect athak deu sup sup ai he deu pha pha pa ni yan zai na chu he hi ni a hemi patch te hi ni thum chung lawm turani a chumi no mi bol thai chawang ti ni ya come in. It's just like a burning pain a little bit.
Okay, I can give him a pain pill right now if he wants.
So na idu chani na chong na ka pethai chenia ti dem. Yes.
Yeah, okay. I want you to have a couple crackers in your belly with it. Otherwise it can upset your stomach.
Okay, ani chanin cracker hi e ten kan e nga yang ti mo hi ma chol chi kum nang te. Thank you. Na chong na ai do na wangin apum rock chu pum nang dem lawa he. Mo chete ai masane he. A chip deu sek sekatia nurse nu khan na chong na pedo na to he.
Have you ever taken tramadol before?
Tramadol ti dam doi ai ngai em.
Yeah.
Isiama. Chumi dam doi tramadol ti chi ngai ma. You said Tylenol?
Tramadol.
Tramadol. I have never heard of that medicine.
Have you ever taken hydrocodone?
Hydrocodone. I think so.
It's in the same family, but it's not quite as strong. It is an opioid, but it's one of the lowest dose ones.
Okay, hydrocodone na inang be thawani in chung nai bai ma sing apin beo lo de. Does he get any stitches on his belly button or?
I don't know. There's just that dressing on there. I think it's probably stitches and glue underneath, but I'm not positive.
Okay. Karin danin trui jo manga chanin an erbo kanga maseng ka chiang beo lo de.
Computer's not working.
Dai de den dang ka. Ai da ra. Na chok na ai do na. Okay. Sorry, kapit lang dik lang.
Adam chok mo van na chok mo.
Minaw ni ma. Minaw so in kay ko nakadwat lang tapos na. Can he eat and drink anything?
Yep. Anything that he can tolerate.
Okay. Ai thấy rõ phát rồi thấy thế.
And the tramadol pain pills are every 6 hours, and we give him one at 8:45.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. That's the prescription that he will get.
Yes, exactly. And it should be ready at Walgreens on Douglas to be picked up.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yes. Get your vital signs one more time, and then if you guys are ready, get his IV out and you guys can go.
Yep. Thì sẽ nó thang như thằng lâu lâu ngay ai đi làm hay phải làm á, chọn họ ngắt man chút thì mấy.
Do you need the bathroom at all before you go home?
I don't know. No, I'm good. kind of late, but it's at the hnen.
So the ER entrance is just down that hallway with the carpet. We'll be right at this one.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, see ya. Zawa kay motor la turing ka kalphaya chonin ani ka entrance amilo hapu idona nurse dukan tikhanin kan hong thai choni mai te motor khania aveng borvel chu hetiang hilnia hey boina kan Zing ko ba kan kalna khania Zing a chon helai emergency atang hen kan luta ma te tun chon mani in zaina a chon tak chu helai hi ni khata kan ba pick up to na kan holam po adam do hian ala hne hle pang hian tian motor amu hil phai charchara chon helai wall green hi adam doi kan lakna tur ani a USA lam an chon doctor office ne na tanga dam doi lak chhuang hi om thin lo wangin pharmacy a doctor te kan lo thona pharmacy atang kan vala thina tu ni na chokna an pek mi kavalak pui ngal don ani he in lama ana lo chho changa ei tur ani a dar karuk dan zela ei tur an ti si a in kan thlengma in kan bala ho ngal don ani he hi all green pharmacy chunga thak tu te hon ni a han ni hen an man bele an benga an pharmacy chianin a idan tu min thria anga ti chon ka hopui ngal me don ni ti han dam doi kan la chhuak honga pathian zara kan in zai tluang ina kan thlenga mu hil charchara